Hello.
Hello, teacher Ben.
Nice to see you. Can you tell me what's your name?
My name is Ambush.
And how old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Okay. And what do you like to do for fun? What's your hobby?
My hobby is catch fish.
Catch fish? Do you go with your dad? Or do you go alone?
I go with my friends and I take something and I throw it in the stick and I can catch it.
Okay, right on. That sounds pretty fun, going out with your friends doing that. Now, let's move on to our first question. This area is covered by snow and ice. The weather here is always cold and freezing. Where are we?
It's Arctic.
The Arctic. Not the
Arctic.
What animals live in the Arctic?
Arctic frogs live in the Arctic.
That's right. Okay. Next one. This area is covered with grasses.
It's a grassland.
Grassland's right. Now, what animals live in the grassland?
A giraffe lives in a grassland.
Now, this area is a kind of forest. It's in warm places and are full of many tall trees and leafy plants. It gets a lot of rain every year.
It's a rainforest.
That's right, a rainforest. What animal lives in the rainforest?
A leopard lives in the forest.
Nice word. This is a very dry, sandy area with few or no plants growing in it.
It's a desert.
A desert, nice job. What animals live in the desert?
A camel lives in the desert.
Now, this is a large area that is filled with many trees.
It's a forest.
A forest is correct. Good work. Now, what animal lives in the forest?
A koala lives in the forest.
A koala. This habitat is made by spiders. It is used as a resting place and as a trap for prey.
It's a web.
A web. Good, nice. And, what animal lives in a web?
It's a spider lives in the web.
Okay. Now, moving on, we're going to look at some pictures and find the odd one out. This first line, we have 4 pictures. This tree is the odd one out because these are all animals. Now, these lines here, what's the odd one out?
In picture 1, it's the old one out because it's a leaf, but the others are fruits.
Correct. Next line.
In picture 3, picture 1 is the old one out because it's a snake, but the others are large animals. That's
right, they are large animals. Well, you know what? I'll take that. Small animal and large animals. And our last line.
In picture 3 is the old one out because it's a frog, but the others are fruits.
They are fruits, and this is a frog, not a fruit. Okay, moving on. We have our free talk, so go ahead and pick a number.
I choose number 2.
Number 2, talking about school. So, question 1, how do you go to school? I go to school by bike. How do you go to school?
I go to school by car.
Okay. And number 2, who's your best friend at school?
My best friend is in school is Tihan.
Okay. And which sport do you play at school?
I like basketball.
Nice. too. And what's the best thing about school?
I like to go camp with the school.
Okay. What else about your school?
And I watch. I go to that room and I play hockey, and I study by computer in my school.
Okay, nice. You can use the school computer to study. Do you like to hang out with your friends at school? Do you like to play games with your friends at school?
Yes.
Me too. I think that's the best thing for me. Okay, high five. Good job. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.